Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you about all of the news and all of the updates made in Zoho software during the last 2 months. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button because as you can see, we produce tons of useful content for you every single week. And also, we made Zoho communities across different platforms. Which one you want to join is your choice. You can join all of them. So we have a community where we share Zoho news daily on LinkedIn, Facebook, and we also make a weekly newsletter updating you on all of the Zoho news. You can subscribe to all of the communities down below in the description box. I will leave all of the links down below there. And now let's get on with the video, and the first app that I want to mention is Zoho CRM. So let's see what updates were made in Zoho CRM during the last period. So first of all, Zoho has a few enhancements to the exciting capabilities of the CPQ system. First of all, enhanced filter and search interface for product configurator and price rules. Also, addition of free products upon the purchase of a primary product. And the last one is dynamic quantity update for automated line items. There are also some useful enhancements to mail merge in Zoho CRM. First of all, Mail Merge is now available for inventory modules like quotes, sales orders, purchase orders, and invoices. You can also import PDF files to merge and also add image fields to merge template. And there are exciting enhancements to Motivator for Zoho CRM. There are enhancements on TV channels, on-track and off-track analysis for targets, option for refreshing individual components, enhanced team creation, hierarchy-based views for users, and additional date granularity. Also, one of the updates is introducing shortcut keys in Zoho CRM. I have made a whole article where I gathered all of the shortcut keys across all of the Zoho apps. I will leave the link to it down below in the description box where you can find it and use it in your day-to-day life to save time. And there are exciting news for Zoho CRM portal users. First of all, plugin modules are now supported in Portal and can be installed as a marketplace extension. And also, the pricing for Portal user licenses was revised, and the price of the license is now only $5 per user per month. There are also very useful updates to email bounce management in Zoho CRM. First of all, now there's permanent and temporary bounces. Now you can also unblock valid email addresses in record details page, in list view, or as a mass action. And the last very exciting update is periodic unblock based on conditions. So now there is a periodic review every 6 months whereby the system will automatically unblock previously blocked email addresses if the issues leading to their blockage have been resolved. And the last update in Zoho CRM is introducing customization in unsubscribe page. So what are the changes? You can now customize the standard unsubscribe landing page message and display message. The merge fields option is available within the message, and UI edit and delete options are also available in a drop-down menu for each link. The next updates will be in Zoho Books, a bookkeeping software. So first of all, there is a PayPal integration update. Now the customers from the US can pay through Venmo and buy now, pay later. You can also now verify if your customer's Australian business number is active right from Zoho Books interface. There are also 3 new payment methods in Stripe, GiroPay, Bank Contact, and so forth. Zoho also made some tax-related features and enhancements to the Canada edition of Zoho Books. They moved the tax returns module to the left navigation bar on the homepage and introduced 2 new provincial tax returns, Manitoba Retail Sales Tax and Saskatchewan Provincial Sales Tax. In addition to that, you can customize the primary field in custom modules, group by option in tax summary report, choose account to track line item level discounts, and configure permissions for corporate tax. Some other new features include tax automation using tax rules in Canada edition. Also, Zoho Books introduced signals, so now you can receive in-app notifications from other apps that you use in your day-to-day business. Also, you can now receive recurring payments through Stripe in India edition and override VAT in purchases transactions in UK edition. Also, a highly requested feature was added to Zoho Books, which is disassociating sales audit from void invoices, and Zoho Books also introduced the snail mail extension. And also, there were some updates for organizations with Zoho Inventory add-on, which include purchases by category report and allowing duplicate batch numbers. If we're talking about the bookkeeping and finances, I also have to mention Zoho Invoice, and let's see what's new Zoho has prepared for us there. So in Zoho Invoice, a new report was added, which is Customer Balance Summary Report. Also, there was a default system preference for tax rounding option added, and a highly requested feature, flat discounts on tax-inclusive items, is also now available in Zoho Invoice. And now let's talk about the customer service and see what's new is in Zoho Desk. So first off, we have Zoho Desk's instant messaging update. Now you can connect with customers via WhatsApp directly from the tickets module. Zoho Desk also now has a feature of sharing the snippets with other users in the company. Agent or users can only see snippets that have been shared with them along with the snippets they have created. Zoho also introduced team logos in Zoho Desk, so while creating teams, logos can be used to represent each team for quick identification. You can also set a category and subsection for an article while cloning it in Zoho Desk and set agents' idle timeout in hours. Zoho Desk's chat module now also displays Sales IQ new user interface, and Zoho has increased number of file uploads during the migration. You can also manage ticket efficiently with views and filters in My Area and set the date and time preference in the Help Center. Did you know that Writer from Zoho got its own app? Well, let's see what other apps got some updates in Zoho Workplace bundle that is also a part of Zoho One bundle. Let's start off with Zoho Writer and its all-new desktop app. The benefits of using it is skipping the sign-up and getting right to work, working on existing local Microsoft Office documents, the hassle-free content creation, editing, and formatting. It also is redesigned for a better user experience. It has a feature of copying documents to the cloud, instant sharing and real-time collaboration, and supports more than 40 languages within that platform. And another very cool function in Zoho Writer is reading aloud your documents within the app. And now let's move on to the updates made in Zoho Mail. First of all, now you can start an audio or video call or a chat in Cliq while viewing the members of a group in Zoho Mail. You can now also associate signature with delegated email addresses and add users via CSV to export user accounts. They also added outgoing webhooks for Stream and a very cool feature of interoperability with Outlook Calendar. So if you use both Zoho Calendar and Microsoft Outlook, it allows the users for both services to view each other's availability. And let's move on to another app, which is Zoho Cliq, and it's now available for TV. It brings some benefits such as unified view of all of your recording meetings, choosing between your mobile and TV audio sources, keeping the tabs on all of your ongoing and upcoming meetings, and more. Another app on the list is Zoho Meeting, and Zoho has introduced a range of customization features for online meeting software. You can pin video feeds, control over session recordings, and custom form and reply to email addresses. Also, I have to mention Zoho Analytics, a perfect BI tool. There have been a lot of amazing updates made in there. First of all, Zoho Analytics now is integrated with Klaviyo, so you can get advanced analytics for a marketing campaign. Also, now you can create widgets with the forecast value when the data is grouped by the data function. You now also have the option to generate a geomap focusing on specific state of a country when your data includes information related to a particular state. Also, ZIA Insights now provides dynamic information based on the selected legend filter available on the reports. The Show Missing Values option is now enabled for heat maps. Zoho Analytics also got some ChatGPT prompt enchantments, and Dashboard app now supports the commenting, and now you can collaborate with your team and make decisions on the go. In addition to that, Zoho Analytics is now integrated with Mixpanel, More fields are synced in advanced analytics, for example, from Zoho Projects, Teamwork Desk, and Zoho Campaigns. Enchantments in dashboards include moving views between the dashboard tabs, which is very useful, and setting margin between the cards. Enchantments in pivot view include pivot view column header alignment and also support for show or hide in data as a row. Also, you can now import data from MongoDB to Zoho Analytics with SSL certificate, and support for duration component was added in the app. We already talked about the updates in Zoho CRM, but I didn't mention Bigin, which is a CRM for small business, and there have been very useful updates made there too. So first update in Zoho Bigin is very exciting because now this CRM system has an integration with WhatsApp. And now it also has a seamless integration with Zoho landing page. Also, a feature of exporting stage history was added to Bigin, and the automatically reopen email in records was also added to the features within Zoho Bigin. Zoho also introduced a new app, Zoho FSM, which is an end-to-end field service management platform. So, Zoho FSM is a powerful field service management platform with a gamut of features aimed at improving each aspect of your business. It handles work order management, customer management, scheduling, workforce management, billing, payments, and inventory management. Beyond this, Zoho FSM is built to adapt to various industries with its customization components and integration capabilities. Now let's talk about some other updates made across Zoho apps such as Zoho Social, Zoho Campaigns, and much more. And we will start off with Zoho Creator, which got such updates that include global variables, new default theme for live mode, developer months appreciation card, and also sun enchantments and changing in deluge. And Zoho Creator has introduced the amazing new feature Canvas Builder that can help you with designing the apps. You can import the templates, use the library, or create your own from scratch. The next app on the list is Zoho Bookings that introduced a new feature, which is collective booking. Through this feature, you can now involve multiple staff members in a single appointment, opening up new possibilities and enhancing your booking experience. An amazing new feature of submission sub-module in Zoho Recruit was also introduced. It was designed to provide you with eagle-eye view of other candidate submissions. This sub-module makes it easier for you to stay organized and streamline your hiring process. And there are some great news from Zoho Voice that is now in Europe. Local number porting is available in these countries at the moment: Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Ireland, Italy, Spain, Sweden, the UK, Poland, Austria, Lithuania, and Hungary. Another great news is from Zoho Social. Now you can schedule and post posts to Mastodon, which is a free and open source software for running self-hosted social networking services. You can see how many amazing updates Zoho has made in its software during past 2 months. Not to miss any news or any updates made in Zoho, please make sure to join our communities over Facebook, LinkedIn, or join our newsletter with weekly Zoho news. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any useful content that we prepare here on this platform over YouTube. And write down in the comments below which updates maybe we have missed in our videos, or which updates in Zoho you are looking forward to see during the next months. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please make sure to subscribe and click the notification button. See you in the next week's video.